Hey there, I wanted to make a video showing you this VS Code extension that allows you to sense like the path that you're about to type in for this, like when you're on queuing scripts for WordPress. This has been something kind of annoying because like this part, get theme file URI function, wouldn't on queue or wouldn't work with the other Intellisense that I had installed. So like, you know, yeah, when you're typing, usually like you hit the slash and then like this is what happens when Intellisense is working. So we got this going on. It's this Path Intellisense VS Code plugin, and yeah, if you can see here, I just disabled it. So reloading will cause it to not show me any suggested path when I do the slash. And then when you have that installed, enable. When you have that installed, yeah, it's great because you can just go and slash JS slash add to file name, and it's a lot more easier than trying to either read the file name in the folder or trying to copy it from over here. So there you go. It's the what's it called? Path Intellisense plugin by Christian Kohler. And that's it. All right, talk to you later.